This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by dananelson. Enjoy beautiful long-range mountain views from this gently rolling lot in 1300 Subdivision, gated community with deeded Lake Nottely access. Near and long-range mountain views possible from both sides of a home built on this gently rolling lot. Easy build for a full daylight, walkout basement. This lot also stetches between Deyton Road and Ridge Peak View Road, eliminating neighbors in your backyard. Easy walk to pool and clubhouse. Amenities include stable, dock, gated access, pool and lodge. For more information, review the details below or contact Dana Nelson at 706-745-3500.